This is Benjamin from Holykell. Today I'm going to show you our non-connect liquid level sensor, which is called US8000. This is working by Ultrasonic. Okay, this is our sensor. The range is from 0 to 10 meters, and the output is 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, and the other thing we need is screwdriver, wiring, and our displayer. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it. For the connection, we are going to open the housing first. Because of our sensor is current output, so this is two wires. One is 24 voltage power supply in, and for the out is also the signal. The red is for supply, and the black is out. The out needs to be CV connect to our display. I have settled the range previously from 0 to 10 meters. So now I'm going to move our sensor to the tank. Okay, we just moved our sensor and displayer to the 1 meter tank. As you can see, our level now is around 22 to 23 centimeters, and now the displayer shows 0.77 meters. For the other testing, we are going to add more water to the tank, so the level should be higher. After we add water from 22 to 32 centimeters, our display shows 0.68 meters. So the data stays still.